This Toolbox talk covers arc flash awareness. It is general safety information and does not replace qualified electrical training, site-specific procedures, or your company's electrical safety program. Arc flash is one of the most serious electrical hazards on any job site. It happens when electrical current leaves its normal path and travels through the air from one point to another, or to ground. When that happens, the result can be an explosive release of heat, light, pressure, and molten metal. A worker does not have to touch the equipment directly to be seriously injured. Being too close to energized equipment during an arc flash event can lead to severe burns, eye injuries, hearing damage, and trauma from the blast itself. That is why arc flash awareness matters. This hazard is fast, violent, and often life-changing. In many cases, people think about electrical injuries as shock hazards only, but arc flashes add another level of danger. It can throw a worker backward, ignite clothing, damage eyesight, and create injuries that go far beyond the initial event. One of the biggest mistakes people make is getting too comfortable around electrical equipment. Just because a panel has been opened before, or a task seems routine, does not mean the hazard is low. Arc flash incidents can often happen because of loose connectors, damaged equipment, dropped tools, improper work methods, moisture, dirt buildup, or trying to work equipment while it's still energized. The safest approach is always to de-energize equipment whenever a job site allows it. If something can be shut down and placed in an electrical safe condition before work begins, that should always happen first. Working on energized equipment should never be treated like the normal way of doing business. It should only happen when allowed by procedure and handled by qualified personnel. If you are not trained, qualified, and authorized to perform that work, stay out of it. Do not open covers, do not reach into equipment, and do not cross into restricted areas just to take a look or help out. Electrical work is not a place for guessing, rushing, or taking chances. Always respect warning labels, barricades, and boundaries. Those markings are there because someone has identified a hazard. If a panel, disconnect, or piece of gear is labeled for arc flash risk, treat it seriously. Do not assume the danger is gone just because nothing looks wrong from the outside. Proper PPE also matters. If the task calls for arc-rated clothing, a face shield, gloves, or other protective equipment, then that gear needs to be worn correctly and completely. PPE is not there to make unsafe work acceptable. It is there as a final layer of protection after planning, hazard assessment, and safe work practices are already in place. Housekeeping and equipment condition also play a role. Missing covers, damaged components, dust, moisture, and poor maintenance can all increase electrical risk. If something looks damaged, smells hot, sounds unusual, or shows signs of arcing or overheating, stop work and report it immediately. The bottom line is simple. Arc flash can kill or injure in seconds. De-energize whenever possible. Keep unqualified workers out of the hazard area. Follow procedures. Wear the required PPE. And report unsafe conditions right away. A shortcut around electrical safety is never worth the cost.